YouTube friends, this is Jenny with Planner Perfect, and today I am excited to show you one of our planning and journaling subscription boxes that we offer over at designsbyplannerperfect.com. What I'm going to be showing you is one of our November plan books and journals that we offered here this last month that women got right to their door, and that comes also with tip-ins and washi and some stickers, all with beautiful artwork that I know you will adore and will inspire you to write a better story. If this interests you, then hey, stick around. Okay, here we are. This is our box that you will get in the mail when you do order from us for your journaling and planning box. We also offer other boxes such as the journaling box only, and then we've got the accessory boxes only. You'll have to check it out at designsbyplannerperfect.com. We think you're going to absolutely love this box. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. So you get a card that when you get in there and open it up, and your books are nice and protected here in this muslin bag. And for November, this is the B6 size. For the November print, which is a blind box in a way, these are not revealed until you get them in the box. And they are not listed in the store until after the box has been shipped out and received. So these are exclusive to our sub-box members until they get them first, and then they will be revealed in the store to get. So there's quite a big, huge, fun advantage to being a subscriber because of the fact that, you know, it is a blind box. You won't know what's in it, but every single time I know that women have just been so ecstatic with what they get in the artwork that's on the covers. So with this one, it flows. I wanted it to go all the way around and wrap around from the front to the back. This is, a lot of times it's my own brush lettering, so this is my own calligraphy up here, and my artwork. And then here is, I'll get into the journal here in a minute of what's inside. Here is the journal that comes with it. And one of the great advantages to getting a beautiful journal as well, they're also different print. It'll coincide with the season. It's a lot of fun. But what's fun about it is that I offer a journaling, it's kind of a journaling live get together where we just have fun and journal together every Wednesday night over in Project Me. I'll link it below on how you can be a part of the community and take part of the journaling together. Journaling is amazing because of the fact that, you know, you're concentrating and focusing on the good and all of the documenting life and the blessings that you have. And when you do that, you receive more of it. And so we want to keep that focus just on the good. And here is an example of what we did last month, all through October, and I'll be doing a flip through for you in another video, but it's nice and full, and we did this together 4 times during the month where we journaled live, and I painted and did a lot of fun stuff, and we just had a really good time. So be sure to join us, and it's a great way to be able, and fans in my Planner Perfect fans group, we inspire each other over there with our planning, and then we're using the Planner Perfect method, and then of course then journal on every Wednesday night using our journal that we get in our sub boxes. So it's a lot of fun. So also too, if you are new to me, what is inside is, you know, you have a beautiful dashboard, and then you've got your month's calendar, and you're prompted to set goals for your month. So you're hyper focused on what you want your month to look like, and you have plenty of room and plenty of paper. And then you get a prompt for your daily life and your scripted life. If you're new to me, check out more planning videos down below. I will link them on how you can get started planning your life using this method, where basically free form, but yet there's a method on how you do it, so that what you're doing is you're activating the subconscious mind so that you can get things done and be organized just by scripting how you want things to be done. So be sure to check out those videos if you are new. So here are some of the tip-ins, and these are a lot of fun to use because you can simply use them as inspiration, and you can also write on the back side. And what you're going to do is just washi them in, and then you can flip them over or simply just tip them in. You get two different, I think it's two of each in each one, and it's just a lot of fun to get in here and look at them and have them inspire you on your planning pages. Since November is Thanksgiving, there's lots of artwork to demonstrate that holiday season, and that's what you're going to be finding. Thanksgiving menu, a prompt, thankful, again, another one to just inspire you. And these are so you get two sets of those, which is just a really amazing, beautiful way. I know for me, I'm celebrating Thanksgiving twice, so even to have this twice is very handy. Just to be able to write down things like what I'm bringing and all that and stick it in my planner and be so organized with it. And basically you can just tip it into your planner, and you can put washi here and tapes on one side, then you can flip it back and forth like this. And it's just there to inspire you. It's really wonderful and beautiful. And then what else we have are our stickers, and this is all with my artwork here, which I did to inspire you in your Black Friday getting ready for Christmas planning. So cute, got lights and a Christmas girl here, some gingerbread and some lights. And then we have thankful and some turkeys and scarecrow and things still for fall because it is still fall after all. And then the two bits of washi here, we've got my scarecrow, if you can see them. And then we have leaves. So truly festive for the season, and I know you're going to love using this in your planners and journals all month long. And what is wonderful is that it's all there waiting for you to plan and map out your life. Guys, I really hope that this has inspired you to get going with your planning and journaling, and I hope you join me over on Project Me. Be sure to check this out over there where there's live video. And if you want more on how to plan, how to subscribe, and get started on your planning box every single month, then be sure to visit designswhileplannerperfect.com. I'll have all the links for you down below. Have a great night, and thanks for watching.